Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Illustrator for drawing full guide. Start by creating a new document set to RGB color mode, 300 ppi, and enable GPU preview. Use artboard sizes that match your final output and set units to pixels or inches as needed. Choose a clean workspace, enable rulers and smart guides, and set default stroke and fill to your preferred colors before you begin drawing. I'll walk through brushes, pens, and the pencil tool to make your lines smooth and editable. Begin by setting up a pressure-sensitive brush and save it to your brush library. Adjust fidelity settings for the pencil tool and use smooth corners to avoid jagged lines. Learn when to use the pen tool for precise curves and combine shapes with Pathfinder to build complex artwork efficiently. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful tutorials. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading art books and reference photos comfortably between sessions often. It keeps inspiration close when you're away from your desk, which pairs nicely with digital drawing practice. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned, and now let's get back to the video. Organize your file with named layers and color groups to stay efficient. Use global swatches for consistent color changes and save a color library for the project. Apply layer masks and clipping masks to control visibility without deleting artwork. Lock reference layers and create template layers for tracing. Use isolation mode to focus on single objects and group related elements to speed up selection and transformation when composing your illustration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.